Newton formula for gravity needs a small correction. Gravity force is mass 1, mass 2, r squared gravitational constant. Here, mass m and mass 2, this should be changed, replaced with a gravitational mass. Because gravity is a pressure of superfluid space. Gravity is a pushing force. We have two physical objects. They are diminishing energy density of space, and as energy density of space is four-dimensional, the outer space is pushing towards the center where the energy density is lower, and this is gravity force. And as material objects are three-dimensional, they are following this pressure. They are in the same way as Einstein say, gravity is curvature of space. In this model that I'm presenting now here, gravity is the result of the variable energy density of space. More space is curved, less space is dense. So gravitational mass is energy density of space in intergalactic space minus energy density of space in the center of the physical object, volume per volume of the physical object or stellar object divided with c squared. This is gravitational mass. Because definitely gravity is a force. And if we start thinking in physics that gravity is not a force, then we are gone. Gravity is a force of the space. Yeah. You can check article published on this subject also. Thank you very much. I hope that this my work will not go in vain. I work in physics for 40 years. I have no degree in physics. And it's better that I don't have degree in physics, because once you have degree in physics, then you are gone. Then you are so much, let's say, your free thinking is damaged with the existing knowledge, that you cannot step out of the paradigm. We cannot develop physics in the frame of the old paradigm. And what I see on the YouTube, I read articles for 40 years on physics. Top physicists in the world today, they are thinking and trying to develop physics in the frame of the known knowledge. But we have to understand also that there is a knowledge that it's not known yet. This is unknown knowledge. And we can reach the unknown knowledge only if we step out of the known knowledge. And the way to step out of the known knowledge is, the first step is to step out of psychological time, which is in the brain. This is the first step. And the second step is to step out of your mind, to step out of your scientific mind, that you are able to see how your mind is working. If you are not able to see how your scientific mind is working, you cannot make any progress, because you are searching for the solution in the frame of the mental work that has created these problems. Physics is a result of centuries of intellectual work of different people, mainly most intelligent people in the world, because I really sincerely think that physicists, that we are the most intelligent people on the planet. But anyway, we are somehow uh, we are now stuck in this old paradigm that we cannot step out. The first thing that has to be understood is that the only physical reality that exists is now. Nothing ever existed out of the now. Okay. Once you get this point, then you will have the first tool to really progress physics. Physics is not in mathematical formulas. We have to understand this. If we want to progress physics, we have to think again in the terms of physical events and objects. I'm following theoretical physics intensely for the last 20 years, and I see that the new generation of physicists is not thinking in the physical terms. They are thinking in mathematical terms. So they are taking few equations there, few equations there. They mix these equations, they get some new exotic ideas, and they publish this in the high-ranked scientific journals. And so what? What is the result? There is absolutely no result. 95% of articles in theoretical physics are absolute mental garbage. Useful, unuseful, yeah. You cannot use it. You cannot do anything with it. They are just purpose on itself. The purpose of physics is that we go on, that we progress physics. It's not a purpose that you mix few equations here and few equations there and you publish this and you don't understand what you've done and the reviewers don't understand what they've done, but mathematically everything is correct. I hope that we understand what is the point. Mathematics cannot progress physics. Mathematics can only be a tool to progress physics, but not without understanding that we have to go back and to start thinking as a physicist in the terms of physical reality, not mathematical equations. And everything this started with Albert Einstein, who was definitely genius, but everything started with him. This special relativity, actually, that's not physical theory. General relativity, that's not a physical theory. That just, let's say, a mathematical environment where actually certain things are described quite good, but not very good, not perfect. Einstein relativity is far away to be perfect. And if we don't see this, then we cannot progress physics, because Einstein relativity is a backbone of one of the backbones of physics. I hope I'm not annoying people with this with these videos, and I hope that something will pop out of the most intelligent guys in the field of physics so that we can really do some progress. Thank you very much.